How to transfer from Binance to Kraken. For that, you need to first of all launch your Binance mobile application. Then tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Select the spot option in the top, and among the given list of the coins that you have in your Binance account, you just have to simply select the one that you want to basically transfer. If you want to transfer Bitcoin, so you simply need to tap on it and select the withdrawal option in the bottom. Afterwards, tap on the send via crypto network, and then it will ask you to provide the address or invoice. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Kraken mobile application, then select the receive option. There you will be able to see the deposit address, so you need to copy that from there and paste it over here. In the network, you need to make sure that the same network is selected which you have selected in your Kraken application. Since we are sending Bitcoin, so for Bitcoin you can select the BTC network. After that, in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. After filling these details, press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and on the next page you just have to simply wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Once it is confirmed and completed successfully, you will be able to transfer any of the cryptos of your choice from your Binance account to Kraken. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.